Hi, my beautiful stars. Welcome back to Feng Shui Lucky Star 9, your sacred space for spiritual protection, energy cleansing, and high-vibe Feng Shui tips. Since we're in Ghost Month, many of you may be feeling drained, heavy, or even experiencing strange energy around you. That's why today's video is all about the ancient and powerful ritual of egg cleansing, with a special focus on how to do it safely and correctly during Ghost Month. We're going to cover when to do it, what you need, how to interpret the egg, and how to dispose of it properly. So let's get started and protect your glow. Signs you need egg cleansing: constant fatigue or sudden mood swings, frequent headaches or nightmares, unexplained tension in your body, sudden bad luck or feeling jinxed. It may be spiritual residue, and during Ghost Month, this is extra common. That's when egg cleansing becomes your best friend. What you need. Here's what you'll need for this Ghost Month egg cleansing. First, 1 raw egg, room temperature. Second, white candle or incense for protection. Prayer or mantra. You can use Psalm 91, Ama Namin, or any protective chant. Glass of water. Optional, Palo Santo or sage to cleanse the space. How to do the cleansing. Step 1. Cleanse the egg. Light your candle and say a prayer. Pass the egg through the flame or over incense smoke to cleanse it. Step 2. Set your intention. Hold the egg and say, "This egg will absorb all negativity, spiritual heaviness, and unseen harm." Step 3. Sweep the egg over your body. Start at the crown of your head and slowly roll the egg downward in circular motions. Face, neck, shoulders, chest, back, arms, stomach, and feet. Be gentle and focused. If you feel heat, chills, or tingling, that's normal. Your aura is releasing energy. How to interpret the egg. Break the egg into the water in a clear glass. Let it settle, then observe. Signs of heavy spiritual energy, cobweb-like strands, means curses or psychic attack. Spikes or bubbles means gossip, envy, or anger directed at you. Blood or black dots means deeper spiritual attack. Cloudy or murky water, meaning emotional heaviness or sadness. Don't panic, this is a release, not a curse. You're already clearing it. How to dispose safely. Pour the egg water with salt, vinegar, spices like black pepper and chili flakes while saying, "I release all negativity, I am protected, I am whole." Flush it down the toilet, never throw it in trash. Clean your hands with salt and water after. Burn incense or Palo Santo after to restore light energy in your space. Best time to do this. At night before bed or after a stressful day. During Ghost Month, you can do this once a week or anytime you feel off. For extra protection, keep or wear black obsidian, or keep a bowl of salt near your bed after cleansing. And that's it for today's sacred ritual. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more protective rituals and Feng Shui wisdom from Feng Shui Lucky Star 9. Let me know in the comments, have you ever tried egg cleansing? What did you see in the egg? I'd love to hear your stories. Stay safe, stay glowing, and remember, your energy is sacred. Protect it, cleanse it, and own it. I'll see you in the next video, my beautiful stars.